We're taking a break from screens and meetings and have ventured into the Adelaide Hills for a little midweek reset at CABN Hahndorf. One of South Australia's most unique stays, CABN is a collection of off-grid eco-cabins where luxury meets nature. All right, let's go see where we're staying. This is one of their signature cabins, Heidi, a minimalist, sustainable design surrounded completely by nature. You'll find everything you need here: a queen bed, kitchenette, bathroom, and the coziest wood heater. A situ tip: check in with the cabin team before your stay to request firewood or a sparkling wine and local produce hamper. Nora is a family-friendly cabin, suitable for up to 4 people, complete with bunk beds. CABN is just minutes from Hahndorf, one of South Australia's most charming towns, filled with cellar doors, artisan food, and galleries. Let's go! We stopped by Comida on Hahndorf's main street, a Spanish gem serving up seriously good tapas, brunch, and coffee. But the real showstopper? It's hiding out the back. Come the warmer months, the garden transforms. Think fairy lights, live music, flowing sangria, and wood-fired pizzas fresh from the oven. You really can't go past sunset views over the hills and the chance to switch off completely, plus a glass of red and a marshmallow or two. So there you have it, CABN Hahndorf, an off-grid escape less than 30 minutes from Adelaide, perfect for a romantic weekend, a family getaway, or a solo reset in nature. Take our word for it, you'll want to get this on your travel list. And for more tips on where to stay, eat, and play around Adelaide and beyond, check out our website and head to our Instagram linked below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.